kamay na ako. Dami ko nang It's very Asian. ID bracelet. Cute face! Pwede tayo mag-beard and dancing! Hi guys! So for today's video, pupunta tayo sa Esquimalt Ribfest. Tara! Let's go! Going to the bus stop. Here comes the bus. Sorry. Thank you. Okay, on the bus. Nandun na si stroller. Approaching Bolin Park. Nakakap tayo kasi hindi usong nagpapayong dito. It's very Asian.
Betico Belmonte. Betico Belmonte.
Sana may maabutan pa tayo ng mga fudams.
And I'll take it. Oh, right down here.
Okay, kukuha tayo ng hindi ko alam kung ano to. ID bracelets.
Still sleeping. You also want for yourself.
You don't need one though. You're too cute. There you go.
Thank you.
Pwede na siya mag-beer.
Pwede na tayo mag-beer. Di na tayo breastfeeding. Wish ko lang maikot namin lahat. Mainit eh. Pag napunta kayo dito, magdala kayo shades tsaka cup. Next summer. Hanapin muna natin yung mga office mate ni Ennard. Oh, office mate.
Office?
Office?
May office kami.
May office siya eh. Mga workmates niya, okay. That's the much appropriate term. Kasi may pakain yung boss nila dito. Sana umabot pa kami. Baka hindi na pala. McDo na lang kapaksahan namin. Yung chia pudding, oh. Ganyan. Huwag kayo puro ribs. Pudding-pudding din. Nung Saturday daw, merong free burger and hot dogs. Ang sarap nung ano, oh. Colosal onion, oh. Haba ng pila. Oh, ribs. Nakakita rin tayo ng ribs. Ayun yung food. Nahihiya pa tayo kumuha. Yummy!
It is kind of fun, isn't it? You want to try?
Hi, baby!
Whatever you want.
Sige, try.
Colosal onion.
Sige, baby. Baby! It's yummy.
Kailan ko pupunta yung isang ano ba?
Yummy.
Is it?
Sarap. May malabo.
Yummy.
Ah, yan. Sarap ba? Sarap? Is it yummy?
Sarap. Huli ka. Mga dinosaurs. Sa'yo lahat yun.
Nilugo-dugo pa. Sarap. Is it yummy? Can you give mama? Thank you. Good boy naman. Si Honey busy makipag chikahan sa kanyang mga workmates. Si Yeshua, bumili ng watermelon juice. Yes, ako kumakain ng mais. Sarap ng onion rings na to. Yum. What's that? Onion rings. Okay, photo op sila. Ayan, merong hugasan ng kamay dito.
Thank you. Bailey, Robert.
Nagaya niya yung pig. So silly! Okay, say hi to the camera.
Kamusta?
Daming ribs, pero konti lang tiyan namin eh. Tsaka masarap yung onion rings. Colossal onion rings. Yun yung balikan nyo.
Pili tayo.
Hindi, umay na ako. Masarap pero umay na ako. Dami ko nang nakain. Pupunta na kami sa next na tindahan. O, ang daming trophy. Yung sabihin, marami silang Michelin star. Charot. Dancing! Yashua! Show your cute face! Cute face! Cute naman yan eh! What are you doing? What are you doing, baby? Oh, nakawala sa koral.
Go!
Go, go, go! Yeah, boy.
Hey, mind if I take a video?
Yeah, it's fine.
Wow, no that.
So that's it guys. Uuwi na kami at amoy barbecue na kami. Amoy usok na. And I hope na-inspire ko kayong kumain ngayon ng ribs. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you could hit like and subscribe. Bye!